If you're anything like me, you clicked on this video because you enjoy just looking at gear. You enjoy getting new gear. You enjoy seeing people's gear. Doesn't matter how big their kit is or how small their kit is. Well, in this video today, we're gonna look at my wedding film kit and everything that's inside my bag. So let's get into it. We'll start by going through my Pelican case. Inside, we have 3 cameras. Our weapon of choice is the Canon EOS R6. We'll be upgrading to the R5C next season. We have an assortment of lenses. Besides the 24-70, we don't really use super expensive lenses. We'll eventually update all of them, but we're not really worried about that right now. I have a slot for my camera batteries. SD case gets tossed on top somewhere. I have a random slot for handles, mics, ND filters, screwdrivers, etc. Moving on to my backpack. Here I keep all my audio equipment. First we have an audio splitter. This separates the feed from the DJ, allowing him to make adjustments without affecting my recording to the Zoom H6. I use 2 Tascams, the Rode Wireless 2, and an assortment of cables so I can hook up to the DJ's board no matter what type of output he has. So on top of the bag, we have my laptop pouch, and it also keeps my drone landing pad. Since we're talking about it, I use the DJI Mavic Air 2. I also throw in all my light batteries inside the backpack. My last case is my long case. I will be upgrading to a hard case next season, but that's next season's gear budget. Inside here, I keep my lights, light stands, monopods, and tripods, and this thing gets really fucking heavy. I'm really looking forward to, I got a nice case in my cart for next year. It'll hold just tripods and light stands, but it also has wheels because I am gonna get another hard case for just my lights because I'm really risky with just throwing the lights in that bag with all the stands and stuff. But that's just what I do for now. I wanna also talk about a bonus item. This is the Canon M50. This started my entire career. I remember looking back and watching people's gear videos and just seeing the mass amounts of gear that they had and the amount of money after looking all of it up, how much it would cost just to rig out a single camera. And you know, thinking it was impossible, but it's not. I literally started with this, a $599 camera, 600 bucks. I had to save for quite a while to buy this. I remember I was so pumped when I got this camera, and it doesn't matter what you have. If you have gear, you could start. I got hired and paid for jobs with this camera because once you learn how to use your equipment, and more than that, if you could just tell a decent story, you could make money. So 2 other pieces of equipment that come with me every single wedding. Right here is we have the DJI Ronin S. I'll be honest, I shoot handheld most of the time. A lot depends on the wedding and the vibe I get. And then we have here for details, I've talked about this before, but this is the iFootage slider. Really enjoy the slider. Critical part of my gear kit, comes with me every wedding. That's gonna do it, guys. That's what's in my kit. Try to keep this video short and sweet. If you can, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up to help the algorithm so we can push these videos out, and we will see you in the next one.